My mom was just finishing cleaning the kitchen and then spilled a bag of chia seeds on the ground. What is this? A math test? Chilling in the bathroom with my parents and cat during a tornado warning. It was Eastern Texas. POV. You've managed to escape a fiery pyroclasm, only to get hit in the head by an ejected column. That's from Vesuvius, by the way. Anyone know how to get ink out of a dryer? Asking for a friend. Get sued by Stephen King for plagiarism. Stormy weather in Germany did some weird stuff with my roof. .rip. Looks like an inside job to me.